Huawei Nova 4, the phone with a display hole instead of a notch, was launched last month in China. In case you're wondering why there's a hole in the display, it's for accommodating the large 25 megapixel front camera. Let's take a closer look. The dual SIM Huawei Nova 4 runs EMUI 9.0.1 based on Android 9 Pie. It sports a 6.4-inch Full HD Plus display with a 19.25:9 aspect ratio and support for 96% Ntsc color gamut. The near bezel-less display has an 86.3% screen-to-body ratio and most importantly, no notch. The Huawei Nova 4 runs on the high silicon Kirin 970 SoC coupled with 8GB of RAM. There is 128GB of inbuilt storage on the smartphone that's not expandable via microSD card. The Huawei Nova 4 bears a triple rear camera setup and comes in two variants, one with a 48 megapixel primary camera and the other with a 20 megapixel primary sensor. Apart from the primary sensor, the triple rear camera setup consists of a 16 megapixel 117-degree ultra wide angle camera and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. The front camera in the display hole has a 25 megapixel sensor. The earpiece is contained on the top edge and is just 0.85 millimeters wide. A 3750 mAh battery powers the Huawei Nova 4. The Huawei Nova 4 is available in China at 3,399 yuan for the 48 megapixel rear camera variant and 3,099 yuan for the 20 megapixel variant. Thanks for watching. For all things tech and the latest in CES news, log on to gadgets360.com.